A very good evening to everyone. Hi, this is yours Pratibha with Short Track Classes. I am here again with something very interesting and knowledgeable as well as really very important. So today we are going to learn the sectors of Indian economy, the distribution of Indian economy. So let's start our topic. Indian economy has been widely divided on the basis of activity of nature, that is primary, secondary, tertiary, and there are some bifurcation also, and that bifurcation include quaternary activities, and on the basis of work condition is organized and unorganized sector, and on the basis of ownership is public and private sector. Today we will learn only one part, that is on the basis of activity. On the basis of activity, sectors of economy has been divided into primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Now the question is, what is primary sector? All those activities which are related to collection or extraction of natural resources comes under primary sector. As we can understand from the word primary, primary provide base to all the other products. Now the question arises, what is secondary sector? All those natural products are converted or manufactured into new products under secondary sector. For example, sugarcane is a raw material which is further converted into sugar, and sugarcane is provided by primary sector as a natural resources which is further converted into sugar. So secondary sector is also known as manufacturing sector, as it converts natural resources or raw material into finished good or semi-finished good. Now the question is, what is tertiary sector? Tertiary sector is also known as service sector, as it helps in the development of both primary as well as secondary sector by providing service to both the sector. This we will learn through a caselet. Now the example of primary sector. The example of primary sector is agriculture. It provides agriculture product just like sugarcane or grains. Forest help in providing woods. Fishing provide fish which is rich in protein. Mining help in extraction of minerals. Now the example of secondary sector. The foremost example and the most important example of secondary sector is factories or industry. Now the minerals which we extracted in primary sector is further converted into automobiles. The sugar cane which we have extracted from primary sector is converted into sugar. Now these sugar cane are transported to factories via service sector. The service sector provide transportation between both primary and secondary sector. For setting up industry we need currency, and this currency is provided by the service sector. Primary sector require currency which is also provided by the service sector. So both transportation and banking facility which is important for primary sector and secondary sector is provided by service sector. Both primary sector and secondary sector require communication which is also provided by service sector. So service sector help in development of both primary and secondary sector. Now how these sectors are interrelated to each other? Let's start with an example. Primary sector produce sugarcane. This sugarcane is transported to industries. So transportation is needed, so primary sector is dependent on tertiary sector. Now the sugarcane is produced by primary sector and sent to the secondary sector. So the secondary sector is dependent on primary sector. Now this sugarcane is converted into sugar which require a market, and it will reach to the market through transportation facility which is provided by service sector. So in this way both primary, secondary and tertiary sector are interrelated with each other. Thank you for today, and if you like my video please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye and have a nice day.